Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to change DPI of an image in Paint. Let's check the current DPI of this image. It's now 1200 by 793. Now let's change it. Open Paint. Click on File, Open. And here's the image I want to change the DPI. Open. Click on File, Properties. This is current DPI. I'm giving here 2000 by 1000. Okay. Now save it. Now let's check the new DPI. Here we can see DPI has been changed. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.